Excellente.
Well, good morning and welcome to today's video. We're here at Brands Hatch. It's 7 AM. We're going to do some laps in the rain. Why?
We had nothing else on today.
My official media crew.
Why are you wearing that?
Wearing what? This, because I'm the media.
You're right, mate.
I'm okay.
You're wearing your weird big trousers again.
Yeah, boy. These are the tellyman's trousers. This guy came to steal the telly that time.
Yeah.
I stole these trousers from him.
Oh, Dom.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw him the other day.
Yeah.
So I think we'll take this opportunity quickly to thank Daisy for the filming today.
And this one.
Well done, Lou. Thanks for coming.
It's a pleasure.
No, it's called Other Jess.
Oh yeah, other Jess. Replacement Jess.
So comfy. You can come in if you want. There's plenty of room for everybody.
Yeah, come in.
Yeah, I'm coming in.
And I've got the breakfast with scrambled egg.
You got salmon and bacon on one plate.
Yeah, it's Friday. Is that not enough an explanation for you?
Oh, fair play. What's Chris doing? Hello?
Doesn't fit the car.
What you got?
Oh, new box day. New box day. He's got another new bike. Another one.
You got another new bike? We'll check it out soon. Bye.
Friendly. New bike fit coming soon. Just keep watching.
So you may be wondering why we were at Brands Hatch today. Last year, Jam Cycling was a sponsor of Revolve 24-hour race around that track. This year, Jam is even more involved, actually a partner of the race. So basically Jam's going to be in charge of how the event's marketed, changing a few things and hopefully getting a lot more riders involved. We wanted to make it look nice and warm and sunny, so we wore skin suits. I think my core temperature is lower than it should be right now. Are you excited to take on this race as a
Yeah. Because,
man.
well, you rode around it for the first time today.
Oh, so good.
How much fun is it?
Yeah.
Because it's a motorsport track. Like, all the corners are just designed for high-speed turns. The tarmac's perfect, so you just zip round it. I've raced it the last couple of years with Chris. It's wicked, but now we're just a bit more involved. Took a bunch of friends last year. This year we plan on taking in more.
You race it. Or are you going to be official photographer? Well driven, mate.
Thank you, mate.
See you soon.
See you later. Enjoy New York.
Cheers, mate.
Bye.
What are you doing here? I just came in to see James, so I don't know what you're doing here, mate.
Okay,
Have you started working here?
Yeah, I'm the guy that sits on the sofa, just chat. How's it going?
Your shirt's untucked, you look scruffy. You work for you
My
now.
doorman.
Yeah.
It's a pretty fucking scary doorman, sir.
It is quite scary.
You should see what he did
Until
to
he
the back of a
speaks,
truck
so then you
recently.
realise he's so nice. Yeah, you smashed up a truck.
I did smash up a truck, yeah.
Yeah.
Painted it red, eh?
It's so good to see you back up and running, man. I haven't seen you since you smashed up that truck.
Yeah, they don't know about that, do they?
More Goose IPA, Lagunitas or Peroni. Oh man, I keep the fridge stocked up with beer anyway.
They only bought the most nutritious beers. You check the back, and if they've got green label, it's good.
Louise comes here all the time, and she comes and drinks my bloody beer. I mean, she does bring a keg again occasionally. Does Louise do that?
Right, so today is the first time we're going to do a sofa session downstairs. Sounds a bit weird, but we're going to have experts coming in. We're going to set up a camera here at Bicycle. Any experts related to cycling. Will is our first guest, and he's going to be talking about nutrition. Because it could end up being quite a long video, I'm going to split it, and it's going to be its own standalone thing. You excited?
For what?
First ever sofa session.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. You just thought we were having beers.
I just want beer. Yeah. Do you want a beer?
Yeah, well, I'll have a beer.
You didn't.
What's the options?
That or an IPA.
A sofa sesh.
First sofa session.
And we've chosen the biggest guest. So we can't all sit on the
Smallest
fucking sofa.
Biggest. Nutrition.
Alright, how do you think that went?
I think there's some things you need to cut out.
Basically everything I said. What the fuck? What the my ass, man?
My ass stuck to the sofa.
To the fucking sofa.
Weird.
Any cool stuff?
Yeah.
I haven't got any new bikes. I've got something really, really fucking special turning up in about 2 weeks from Independent Fabrication, which is an SSR stainless steel race bike, which we're building with Campagnolo Record 12-speed and the new Bora 60mm carbon wheels for stock, just because I like having bikes like that around here. So yeah, it's kind of going, but come on down.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Will will be here. He'll be the doorman. It'll work. Come now.
I smash up trucks.
More menacing with all my scars.
What did happen to you?
A lorry, construction lorry collided with me. Okay, so I got hit by a lorry, essentially, and completely totaled me. I broke so many things. I broke my skull in 2 places, my nose, both my cheeks, my top jaw. I broke my bottom jaw in 3 places. I broke my collarbone. I broke my ribs and punctured my lung. I broke my wrist. I tore a ligament in my finger and my ankle, and I tore both my quad muscles on my left.
How are you okay this short time after?
I don't know. 13 weeks and I'm back up and I'm squatting. And
It's good to have you back. We missed
Yeah,
you.
I know, man. It's sad. It was 2 days after our Salt ride to Salt.
I'm just gonna get another drink.
Oh my god!
Is that for me?
No. 3 litres of Jack Daniels.
What's it for?
Me.